Hello friends, welcome back to Netcode. Today we are going to create message boxes using Visual Basics. So let's get started. So click on Windows key plus R and then type Notepad and then click on OK. So we opened Notepad. So X equals MSG box and then bracket again. So we need to add a message. So I'm going to type this is a message and then comma. So now we need to here this is what all the numbers means. So if you use 0 in the here, so that means there will be only OK button. So if you use 1, so that will be both OK and cancel button. So if you use 2, there will be abort, retry, ignore button. So if you use 3, yes, no, cancel button. So on. So I'm going to use 0. So there will be OK button plus I'm going to and then now this. So this is what all the numbers means of icons. Numbers means of icons. So we need, if we use 16, there will be a critical icon. If it is 32, there will be help icon. So if you use 48, there will be warning icon. And then 64, information icon. So I'm going to add 64. 0 plus 64. And then finally we need to add a title. So comma, so there will be end. And then now we need to add a title. So I'm going to name it Visual Basics.vbs. So click on File and then Save File. So now we need to rename it and then save as type. It will be all files. So else if you use text files, it won't know it's a Visual Basic file. So I'm going to add a messages and then end with .vb or you can end it with .vb or .vbs. I'm going to end it with .vbs. So let's save it. So this is our this is a Visual Basic file. So let's try it. So now this is the title we used it, and then this is the message we used it. So I will show you how. Let me edit it. How this worked. So edit. So if we use visual, I will use title, and save it. Then let's try it again. So see, there will be a title. So if you use another icon, there will be only OK button. So let's try with 3. So save, and then let's try again. This is, there will be yes, no, cancel. So I'm going to add 4. Let's try with 2. Save it. So about, retry, and ignore. So all this work, see, there will, we used 2. We used 2 and then we use 2, and that means abort, retry, and ignore. So that's how Visual Basics work. So see you on next video. Bye.